wasn't a selfish bone in that man's body. Like, he was just the best. So.
Yeah.
But I'm sorry to hear about your
No. I think it's actually nice speaking about people that we both love in a similar way, even though they're in such different places in life doing very different things.
Yeah.
But to talk about someone's, and I think that's a big part of it for me, at least with grief, that I feel like when I talk about the beautiful qualities of the people that I lost, it gives me so much confidence that they want me to live it and they want me to try and embody it, and that how fortunate we are to have experienced that type of humanity.
Yeah.
Like, you know,
and those are my thoughts of him.
Yeah.
Like, I think all we ever really want as human beings is to be, you know, when we do leave this earth, we want to be remembered so beautifully and positively. I know, at least I do, of course, but like, you of course want to make people feel something. And he made so many people feel something. And for that, it is so special. Like, they say that we have our purpose here. And I know that he fulfilled a purpose here that he was supposed to fulfill. And I think I think about it beautifully. Like, obviously it's a very, very sad situation, and it breaks my heart, but I have nothing but beautiful thoughts of him, and I think that's really cool and really special. So
yeah, thank you for sharing that too.
Yeah.
And I had to ask you because